So got a DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper, got a face mask, solid wood, so makes life real easy here. We're gonna just scuff sand or sand this down to bare wood, sand down the fronts of the drawers down to bare wood. The subframe here, or the frame, we'll scuff sand because we're gonna paint that, and we'll, hopefully it turns out to look really nice. If not, we'll add some paint to it, but I think it's gonna come out just fine. I did find all the handles, so that's gonna be kind of cool too. I'll scuff sand those, we'll paint those, and give it a little bit of a character look to it. So, let's get started. Alright, all that sanding is done. If you can't tell, I am extremely happy to be done with all that sanding. It's the worst part. I feel gross. I've got sand, dust, dirt, wood, little chips all over my body, but we're through it, and now we're gonna start staining. So today, I'm gonna use Behr Classic Wood Stain. Jacobean is the color. Got an old rag here. I'm gonna do the top and all the drawers. I'm gonna set it aside, let it dry, and then we can start painting. So remember to go with the grain, even on the drawers there, with the grain, and well, let's see what it looks like. Alright, starting to see the transformation. It's going to be pretty cool. I really like the pattern that it's, that stain brings out on this wood here. So, to do the subframe here, or the rest of this frame down, we're going to use our interior flat. It's a oops paint, so I don't know the exact color. Behr primer paint, still the same thing that we use all the time, just in a flat. It's $2 compared to, I don't know, 16 bucks. Yeah, I'll go with this white. So, we're going to put it on, Wooster brush, 2 coats. We'll probably give it a nice little scuff, because that's what we do here. The drawers are done, they're stained, they're just drying. We'll wax everything, we'll seal it up, and then we can get this project completed. It's coming along, isn't it? 2 coats of white, stain top, everything's dried. Now here at Vintage Statements, we're gonna scuff it up a little bit, give it a farm style, vintage feel, that worn in look. So we're just gonna go over the whole entire piece that's been painted white, scuff it up a little bit, and well, it shouldn't take too long. It's just the subframe here. Old 80 grit sandpaper that we used for the top and the drawers to sand them down. And then we can clean it up one last time, and well, we can start that waxing process. So let's get started. did that extra step of scuffing it up, giving it a nice little vintage feel. Probably not picking up a lot in the video here, but at the end I'll do a run by so you can kind of see a closer up of the scuff marks and everything like that. Now, to finish this piece off, we're going to use our feed and wax. It's a wood conditioner, wood polisher. It's got beeswax in it, so it smells amazing. It's going to give this product a little bit of a wet look on the top and on the drawers here. And then we're going to use our mini wax paste for all the painted area here. So spend a few minutes getting this all taken care of, and then well, the next time you see it, it's going to be done. It's going to be put under that tree and we can see what it looks like. Here we go.